There we go. Yeah. And that's why, like, I'll be trying to get people to see the city through my eyes. I'm like, dude, if you move a certain way, it's not dangerous.
100%.
Oh, let's walk out. Because she blind now.
Oh.
Yeah. Just getting out the way.
Smart. I didn't even see that.
So here's one of the stories. One of the reasons why I'm really, 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 really aware of my attitude.
Yes.
There was a time in Panama I got pissed off because people was all in my personal space touching me. And then I bumped a person and he was a blind guy. And I felt like shit. And I was like, me being an asshole, being rude, and now I hurt somebody or could have hurt somebody who just a regular guy trying to walk.
Oh man. But I like how you reacted to the situation.
And
I like that because you took a step back and then you had to analyze the whole thing like, man, this is a mistake.
Yeah.
You know. Because other people just try and act natural. Even if they've done something bad, they just want to act natural like that, man.
Yeah, because like at that time I was still new out of America. And so I'm like this big,
yes.
And then I just felt like shit, and I was like, man, I'm a fucking asshole.
Yeah.
Like I'm sitting here, could have hurt somebody. And then after that, I was like, I ain't gonna be that type of person ever again. Oh, my bad.
I just turned all of a sudden. I don't know why I just turned, but I just turned. So it's insane, really, like.
Old school Jag.
What's your like favorite brand? What you would like to own, just like your favorite brand?
My favorite brand is Pontiac. Pontiac muscle cars. So like that GTO he showed us?
Yes.
That or a Gran Torino. If I could own any car right now, I would even get a Gran Torino over a Rolls Royce.
That is special. That's crazy.
Everybody gonna be going out late tonight.
Yeah. Because remember during the day.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh. And now it cleared out. I was like, uh-oh. Everybody gonna come out now.
Yeah, I thought they were gonna be out already, but I'm like, nah, they finna hit it late tonight.
Yeah, you're right about that. What's your name?
Really? What's going on the 4th?
No, I'm just saying like support. So normally days just after month end.
Yeah.
Or before month end, like the week before, the week after, people turn out.
Yeah, I learned the week before the month end.
Yes.
Stay my ass at home.
Yes.
Man.
Yes, you learned that quick. I like that. But seriously, it's like food. It's not like in a joke way or whatever.
Yeah.
Literally.
And it's fucking obnoxious.
So for me, I always look at it like I do this thing in reverse.
Yeah.
Whenever people come out, I stay in. And whenever they stay in, I go out. It's not even like by coincidence, like pure coincidence.
Oh damn.
Yeah. Like pure coincidence. I don't even like plan it, like, but how my things fall out, they just like happen like that. And the sweet is good.
I tell you, the
sweet is good.
Oh shit, my bad.
Jason. You move like Jason Statham. That dude also had an impact for some time, eh?
Oh yeah.
But I don't know where he went to now. He's a bit quiet.
I think he's do more what they call him fuck, it's like direct to DVD or direct to streaming.
Oh,
Because you get paid right up front.
Smart move. Smart move.
Yeah.
Hey, because that guy was doing things, eh?
Yeah,
When he came out with that crank, I was like, who's this dude? That's when I started asking about him, like, who's this dude? And then the whole transporter thing, I was like, damn, this dude is taking it like way.
Yeah.
Then I started knowing him, like, oh man, you gotta watch out for this dude.
Yeah,
And surprisingly,
there was a movie I watched. It was an English movie
uh-huh.
that he was in. I can't remember the name of it.
Oh yes.
I'll let you know when I find it.
Yes, Expendables.
No, it's a different one.
Okay.
It was one of his first movies.
Oh snap!
Real good movie, man.
Because I started knowing him like then. Oh, crazy. Man, I have a different perspective now. It's so different, right? When you walk around, thank you.
No problem.
When you walk around, and when you come back to the same place, your mindset is like elevated.
Yeah. Cause you know, man, once you stretch your mind, it don't go back.
That's so true. And that's wild for me because I keep seeing it, right? And I keep looking at it and I'm like, huh. What's happening here? Yep, there is the building.
Some nice towers out here.
Yeah. So that's the hotel. I knew
Oh, okay.
the hotel. This one is Bramgate.
Which one's Braamfontein?
This one.
Oh, okay. Okay, I thought that one was.
Oh nah. Yeah, so it's crazy. So insane. Oh yeah, they took down a building that was there. Like, so I guess they are starting from scratch to build it again.
Oh, damn.
So I wonder who's taking over.
Oh, there's
some guys-
Escom. Bastards who keep cutting out the electricity.
I must find a way to cross over. Just that we have a blind spot here.
Oh, okay. I know where we at now. Yeah. Hey, when you got a chance, you go.
Because I keep slowing down. I'm like, oh man, Jason is not used to this.
Nah, I'm speeding up.
And then all of a sudden I'm like, oh shit, he knows more about this than I do.
Nah, I'm speeding up.
That's why. Because I'm normally like that, right? Like I don't wait for no car. Like I'm always like, boom, 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 boom.
Oh shit, here you go.
Oh, thank you. You don't want to use it?
What I'm gonna use it for?
Oh, oh,
Yeah.
I forgot. Nice. I like the quick switch. The quick switch, like from doom to like, we're not doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you think will happen.
Watch out for him.
Come back.
Yeah, he can't make it with those chairs. Yeah, cause see, for me, man, I knew that I was making the right decision by doing it.
Yeah.
Because in my mind, I started thinking like, should I just go buy some more weed just in case? You know, yeah. And I was like, nah, homie.
That takes a lot of discipline. Because most of the people kind of understand what they say.
Yeah.
I was asking myself, like, do we really listen or do we really obey what you say?
Yeah.
Because it's easier to put some rules, right? Or someone puts some rules for you. It's easier for you to follow.
Yep.
But what if you can follow your own rules?
And see, I think most of us negotiate with ourselves.
Yes.
We'll be like, oh, watch out real quick. So shit, how many times you seen people, oh, I'm gonna do this, and then be like, oh, well, I'll do it this day.
Exactly. Exactly. That's the same thing that I love about like, especially something now.
Infamous Braamfontein Gate. Really cool apartments. Oh, so y'all have a patio on y'all?
Not like a big one. Not like a big
Oh,
one.
okay.
It's like it's just you can come out and, but
Cause that's the only thing my place missing. I'm like, man, I need a place outside.
oh yeah.